I'm Mez, CozynMez. Cozy's behind the camera. Say hi, Cozy.
Hello.
And we're here because most likely you have purchased a Myztik or you're interested in one. Well, the series of videos is going to show you how to use your Myztik, how to do some very interesting tricks, and also how to set it up straight out of the box. Now when it comes to you, what you're going to find is the actual stick itself, string, which is what makes it work, and also there's a little bit of calibration tape right here, right in the middle. Now it's actually not dead in the middle, it's slightly off-centered. Now when you get your stick, it's already going to be set up. You're already going to have the string hopefully in the right position just underneath the tape. You're not always going to use the tape. Eventually you're going to get good enough where you take the tape off. It doesn't have to be there because you're going to know how to do what I'm about to show you. Balance the stick to calibrate it right on the very center. Alright, so it just bounces nice and even. Then, from that center point, you're going to move up approximately, and that's not always exact, but about ½ an inch up from that center point, and that's where the calibration tape is going to be. Now that calibration tape is very, very important because that's going to show you the place to put the string. And in this case, we're going to put it just underneath that calibration ring. Once it's on, we pull the string nice and tight. It actually bites into the stick, the Myztik itself. And from there, we just make tiny circles like this. Let it float around. And you notice how the circles are nice and even. If it was off, and I'll over-exaggerate this, let's say the string was too high, you would notice that the stick would be wobbling. See how it wobbles way out and doesn't look right? Yeah, it's impossible to work the stick that way, unless you're doing a special trick, which it can work. But if it's in the middle, calibration, the proper calibration point, it's just going to float in nice, smooth circles, just like that, without much effort on your part. That shows you that it's nice and calibrated. From there we can do a whole bunch of tricks, which we're going to show you on the next clip.